Welcome back to another weekly Watershed Walk video. This week, the KWRC wanted to showcase some outreach work we did with grade 7 and 8 students from Sussex Middle School along the Trout Creek section of our watershed. The first activity we did with students was willow harvesting as part of our restoration work. We had the students use pruning shears to cut the new growth of willow trees to make willow stakes. These willow stakes are used as part of our bioengineering work within our watershed, which uses living materials to restore or enhance a degraded section of stream or a riparian zone. Willow is a key tree species used in our bioengineering efforts. This pliable tree grows quickly and can be propagated easily from cuttings. Its root growth is thick and readily holds soil materials in place and can act as a filter that keeps fine sediments from entering into streams. Additionally, once the willow grow and help to stabilize stream banks, this provides opportunity for other tree species to establish, which will only further enhance the riparian zone and provide shade to the water below. The second activity we did with the students was a shoreline cleanup. We challenged the students to find as much garbage as they could, and they delivered. Through exploring the shoreline of Trout Creek and the surrounding forested area, students were able to find tons of garbage that would have otherwise ended up in our waterway. Thanks for tuning in to this week's Watershed Walk. We'd like to thank the students and staff at Sussex Middle School for all their great work. And a thank you goes out to all of our partners that help make the work we do at the KWRC possible. Make sure to follow us on social media for more updates about our work and how you can get involved. We'll see you next time.